Hello everyone and welcome back. In this session, we are going to write our very first line of HTML code and create our first web page. If you are new to web development, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, open VS Code. On the left side, you will see the Explorer page. Every project in the VS Code starts inside a folder, which we'll call the project folder. Since we don't have one yet, let's create it. Go to your desktop. Create a new folder and name it as 01 test or anything you like. You can choose any name, but using something simple is always a good idea when you are starting. Now return to VS Code. Click on open folder and select the folder which we have created just now and open it. Great, our project folder is now ready. The next step is to create our first file. Click the new file icon and name the file index.html. This is very important. In almost every web project, the first page is named index.html because web servers automatically look for this file when someone visits a website. So always remember your first HTML page should be named index.html. Now our goal is in this lesson is not to learn every HTML tag. Instead, I just wanted you to experience writing code and seeing it come to the life in a web browser. To quickly generate the basic HTML structure, simply type an exclamation mark and press enter. The VS Code automatically creates a complete HTML template for us. This includes the basic structure with the head and the body sections. Inside the title tag, let's type my first page. This title appears in the browser tab. Now let's move to the body. Type an h1 tag. The VS Code automatically creates the closing tag for us. Inside it, type hello world. Next, create a paragraph using the paragraph tag. Again, VS Code automatically closes the tag. Inside the paragraph, I'm going to write my name, of course, you should replace this with your own name and try experimenting with different text. Once you're done, save the file by pressing Ctrl+S. This is how the code automatically becomes properly formatted. That's because we installed the Prettier extension earlier. Prettier formats our code every time we save the file, making it clean, readable, and consistent. For example, if I intentionally add extra spaces and press Ctrl+S, again Prettier automatically fixes the formatting. This is one of the reasons why professional developers use formatting tools. Now comes the exciting part. Let's see our web page once you are open your folder. Locating the index.html file, double click on it. Congratulations, you just built your very first web page. You should now see the large hello world heading and below the paragraph with your name. And you also notice the browser tab, which shows the title, my first web page, exactly as we entered inside the title tag. This demonstrates one of the most exciting parts of web development. The code we write inside VS Code is immediately translated into a real web page that anyone can view in a browser. As we continue throughout this course, I recommend using Google Chrome for testing your project because that's the browser I will be using, and it helps ensure you get the same results. That's a fantastic start to your web development journey. I'm Vamsi Pusapati. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll continue exploring HTML and build even more exciting web pages. Happy coding!